Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful night scene with minimal design. Let's get started. Let's start by formatting our background with different shades of purple color. Right-click and choose Format Background. Select Fill Type as Gradient and change the pattern to Top Spotlight. For each of these gradient stops, change the colors to different shades of purple color. Adjust the gradient steps until we get desired effect. Go to Insert tab and draw rectangle at the bottom of slide. Make it no outline. Now right-click on this rectangle shape and choose Edit Points. Using Edit Points and Edit Point handles, adjust the shape as shown. Right-click on this shape and choose Format Shape. Select Fill Type as Gradient and change the direction. Change gradient step colors to light shades of purple color. Now go to Insert tab and draw ellipse shape. Make it no outline and remove the extra portion of ellipse by subtracting rectangle shapes. Using Format Painter, apply same gradient pattern of rectangle shape. Right-click on the shape and choose Format Shape. Make right side gradient step slightly darker so that both shapes can be distinguished. Now go to Insert tab and draw triangle shape. Make it no outline and fill it with dark color. Now duplicate this shape using Ctrl+D and arrange them in the form of tree shape. Make sure to increase the width of each instance of triangle. Now union bottom three triangle shapes. align all the shapes as shown, and adjust them as per requirement. Go to Insert tab, and draw rectangle exactly at the vertical axis of these shapes. Select all shapes, and fragment them. Delete the bigger portion of rectangle shape, and union left and right sections of tree shape as shown. Change the colors with different shades. Similarly, do it for bottom sections of shape. Now go to Insert tab, and draw rectangle at the bottom of tree shape. Make it no outline and fill it with dark blue color. Group all tree shapes, and reduce its size holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Create a duplicate of this tree shape using Ctrl+D, and ungroup all shapes. Keeping all shapes selected, union them together into one solid shape. Now go to Shape Effects, and rotate this shape into 3D direction. Flip it vertical, and align it to original tree shape as shown. Apply dark gray color to make it appear like shadow of tree shape. Go to Insert tab, select Ellipse shape. Holding down Shift key, draw perfect circle. Make it no outline, and fill it with light gray color. Right-click on this circle, and choose Format Shape. Go to Shadow section, and apply outer shadow. Change shadow color to white, and increase its size to 200%. Also increase its blurriness to 25 points. Now go to Soft Edges feature, and increase its value until you get desired effect. So here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment.